This is Diego from NutriAdmin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy entire rows and entire columns in your meal plan. So this is a productivity tip that's going to be very helpful when you want to repeat the same meal over and over in different days. So for instance, let's say I have this 1-day meal plan, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here to change the number of days, and I'm going to make it 5 days. And once it's 5 days, like imagine you want to repeat the meal from day one into other days. So one way to do that would be to one by one find the meals and add them, but that's very tedious. We now have this feature that allows you to copy the entire column. So you click here and you can now say I want to copy column for day number 1, and now it's going to be selected in the clipboard, and now I can press here and this is going to copy it for the entire day, and I can do that multiple times, as you can see. And if you notice, it also copies the notes, not just the food, so it's very practical. You can do the same if you want to copy the entire meal for breakfast. So let's say I want to, let's say for example, I want to add a new item here. So I'm going to search foods and I'm just going to add a banana. So I'm going to add banana here. And now I'm going to say, I'm going to also add a note, and I'm going to say this banana is optional only on workout days. So we want a bit more energy on those days. So now what I can do is I can copy the entire column for breakfast in here, and I can paste it, for example, for snacks. And it's going to add the bananas, but it's also adding the other breakfast that I have on the other meals. If you see, they're added here. So you can it adds the meals instead of replacing them, and you can copy entire days and entire rows and entire columns. So hopefully that's helpful, and it allows you to create meal plans more effectively and to save time.